Very good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your English language class. And today we will continue further with our past tense topic. As we have discussed till now about the simple past tense, there are all the forms, positive, negative and interrogative forms. Today we will discuss the next form, next tense, next kind of past tense, that is past continuous tense. So I hope all of you have understood about the present continuous tense which we discussed earlier. So today we have to discuss about the past continuous tense, and you are familiar with this term continuous. Continuous means something which is going on, right? So here we are talking about those actions which were occurring in the past time, which were still going on in the past time. वो उस समय में जो समय बीत चुका है उस समय में हो रहे थे. Okay, so today we will discuss about the past continuous tense and what is the rule for that. Subject plus here we will use was and were because the action was in the past time, so we will be using was and were as helping verbs here. And as you know, in continuous tenses we always use first form of verb plus ing, okay, the present participle form plus object. And another thing which is important here to remember, where do we use was and where do we use were. So dear students, here you can see with I, he, she, it, singulars. I will repeat, I first person, he, she, it and singulars. Wherever singulars are there we will be using was, and with our plurals you, they and we will use were. Okay, here I have written few sentences. Let's do the first sentence first of all. I dash talk to a friend. Here we have to modify this verb talk according to the past continuous tense. What we will write here? I was with I, as I told you we will use was. Talk से क्या बन जाएगा? Verb first form plus ing. So here it will be talking. I was talking to a friend, right? Now here same way, here it's rain. Rain we have to use as a continuous form of verb. So here how we will write it? Was raining. Okay, then here we is plural. So here we have to change this form, fly into ing. We is plural, तो we के साथ क्या लगेगा? Were. Fly का क्या बन जाएगा? Flying. So we were flying kites. Rita is singular now and dance को हमने change करना है. Rita was dancing. Okay, remember this thing, whenever the word ends with e and we have to modify that with in ing form, so we will remove e from here and we will add ing. E will be removed. Okay, now here they is again plural with they. Running we have to use they were running. Okay, then next she dash cake and bake is the verb which we have to use here. She was baking, we can write here, a cake. Okay, now this is the positive form of all the continuous past continuous form of sentences here, and we will try to write them in the negative or interrogative forms now. Let's try it. And what is the rule for that? In negative form we simply need to add not after the help. So clear? Here we only have to add not after helping verbs, and when we change it into interrogative forms we will be writing the was, were in the starting of the sentence, questioning, helping word. These are the helping verbs here, sorry. And we all know that whenever we have to write in interrogative form, the helping verbs or the question asking words that come in the beginning of the sentence. So was verb will come in the beginning, then subject, then verb first form, ing and object, and then question mark, which is very important. Now let's practice this. So first sentence which we have here is I was talking to a friend. So what will be the negative form here? It will be I was not talking to a friend. Okay, so I was not talking. Then second is it was raining. So what will it will be? Let me have a talk. It was not raining. Okay. Third we have we were flying kites. So it will be we were not flying kites. So dear children, this tense is very easy. We only need to add not here, and you should remember about was and were. Same way Rita was dancing. Rita was not dancing. Okay. So here this is the thing. Then next they were running. They were not running. Okay. Then next last sentence we have she was baking a cake. She is singular. She was not baking a cake. Clear? So these are the negative forms of the sentences which were given in the positive form. Now let's try to change them into the interrogative forms. Here, first sentence was I was not talking to a friend. So how we will change it now? Was I talking to a friend? Question mark. Okay. And if we have to change it into both the forms, negative interrogative forms, it can be was I not talking to a friend? Okay. Then next it was not raining. Was it raining? Question mark. Then next is we were not flying kites. Were. Now here as the subject is plural, were we flying kites? Question mark. Then next we have Rita was not dancing. Was Rita dancing? Question mark. Then here they were not running. Subject is plural here, so were they. They is the subject here. Were they running? Then next, she was not baking a cake. Subject is singular. Was she baking a cake? Now dear students, see here, subject is singular, helping verbs according to the subject in the sentence. So subject is singular, was, subject is plural, were. Here singular was, here it is plural, we were. Here it is singular, was. Here first person with I also we use was. So helping words or question asking words are coming in the beginning of the sentence, which will change them into interrogative forms, and remember to put the question marks in the end of the interrogative sentences, because without question marks your interrogative form will be incomplete. Okay dear students, so We have completed the past continuous tense form also, and I hope you have understood this also. You only need to remember was, were plus verb first form plus ing, and you should know where to use was and where to use were. With I, he, she, it or singulars, any third person, we need to use was. With we, they, you, plurals, we need to use were. And in negative forms, simply add not. In interrogative forms, you need to start the sentence with helping verbs, was, were, then your subject, then your first form, plus ing, plus object, and then question mark. So dear students, I also want that all of you should copy all these sentences and these rules in your notebooks also. And I will send you assignments for the same topic as well, and we will get back soon, and stay tuned and revise whatever we have covered till now. Have a good day.